sunshine.
Fathers are trying to fight for their babies. They're trying to step up for their kids. I was there the day they were born.
Nathaniel Booker has 2 little girls under age 2 and was also helping to raise the older daughters of his ex-girlfriend. But his family is in turmoil. First, he says, the Administration for Children's Services, ACS, removed the 2 older girls from the maternal home after a complaint at school. Then Booker says the girl's mother notified him that his 18-month-old daughter had an injury.
She says my daughter had moved her arm, she'd been injured, and she didn't take her to the hospital because she had an open ACS case.
Booker's grandmother drove with him from Baltimore to New York.
Her left arm was plastered to her side. She wouldn't move it.
All 4 children were briefly sent to live with the mother's aunt in Brooklyn, who advocated that Nathaniel Booker get custody.
I've seen him interact with those girls, and I feel that he is the better parent.
But Booker's biological children, the babies, were ultimately sent to live with the mother's stepmom in Queens.
All I want is to be their father.
Booker's case is not unusual. As of September 30th this year, more than 4,300 fathers had filed custody petitions with family court. In 25% of the cases, children did go to live with their dads. But with disturbing frequency, we are hearing about fathers who raised red flags about maternal households before a tragedy.
We can't ignore the elephant in the room. All too often, the fathers who are denied custody of their children by ACS are fathers of color.
This is Jace Eubanks.
Attorney Derek Sells recently filed a lawsuit against ACS on behalf of Jamal Eubanks, whose 4-year-old son died in the care of the child's mother and her boyfriend, who was charged with murder. An autopsy showed
that he had skull fractures, that he had rib fractures.
Sells said the father was not told of previous abuse complaints, even as he visited his 2 sons weekly.
They did not tell Jamal.
Back in July 2021, Pix 11 News told the story of 7-year-old Julicia Batiste, a Brooklyn girl who ended up dead after an extended visit with her mother in the Bronx during the pandemic.
I can't even sleep. She was my best friend.
Nearly a year later, Julicia's mother and half-brother were charged with horrific child abuse that led to her murder. Nathaniel Booker says he was alarmed by the tragedy in Coney Island over the summer when 3 children were allegedly drowned by their mother. The older boy's father said he tried to get custody. Booker said he's not done fighting for his girls.
I'm their father. Why is my voice not being heard?
And Nathaniel Booker will return to family court next week in Brooklyn. For now, he says the 2 babies remain with the stepmother of the biological mom in Far Rockaway, Queens. The 2 older girls are with the mother's aunt in Brooklyn.